Where are all my secretive hiding anxious people at? Where are you? Because this video is for you to share with people that don't know what anxiety actually is. So finally a video we can just copy and paste and send it to our people that don't understand. So we can just say, hey, I'm tired of explaining. You watch this video, maybe you'll get an idea how to understand us a little better. And that is exactly what we're going to talk about today. Let's go.
Oh shit! Woo!
If this is the first time we are meeting, my name is Sam Becker and I am with I Am Capable, and what I talk about on this channel is how to build a better mindset so you can live the most confident, happy life. Okay, so for you people that don't understand what anxiety actually is or experience it, what you mean you people? All right, I didn't mean that. What I meant was for the people that have never experienced what anxiety actually is, it might be a little bit difficult for you to understand how to kind of grasp the concept of it. So let me help you out a little bit here. So because anxiety plays a different role in everyone, it's really hard to just kind of say this is what it is. So what I'm going to do instead is kind of go over just the basics of it and what the majority of the population experience when they do experience anxiety, okay? So for starters, some of the basic symptoms that we feel could be anywhere from upset stomach to, nausea and dizziness and difficulty breathing and heart racing and, just nervousness, right? Now imagine having those symptoms all at once. It freaking sucks. I've had that happen before and it sucks. But not only that, there's also behavioral symptoms that we can also experience as well. Some of those behavioral symptoms could be jittery. I get jittery when I get anxious. I get I can't sit still. I'm tapping on my legs. I'm a drummer, so I can kind of play it off. I can just, play on my legs. But, for those that have anxiety, sometimes they get really shaky. Sometimes they start crying. Sometimes they, start talking a lot, or they become really, really silent, really quiet. It's different in everyone, of course. So it's really up to how they feel is the best way to get that pent up negative energy out. For me, again, I can't sit still. I have to start playing the bongos in the air, or I have to, jump into a conversation with someone, or even just go and take a walk just to keep my body moving. Because if I sit still, it feels worse. I feel like I'm just sitting in one spot and I have to listen to all my negative thoughts circulating all at once. And that is not a good feeling to have. So I keep my body moving while I clear my head. So you can kind of get an idea of what that feels like, because I'm sure at some point you've experienced dizziness, or I'm sure you've experienced nervousness about something. So this is going to make a little bit more sense to you guys. I'm going to put you guys in a scenario where you can kind of get the idea of what being anxious feels like, okay? So imagine yourself about to walk on a stage and you're about to give a speech to 1,000 brand new people for the first time ever. You've never spoken in front of anyone ever in your life, and you're about to go up there and you're about to talk about bunnies or whatever it is. How does that make you feel? I would imagine if this is the first time, you might be feeling a little bit jittery, you might be feeling a little bit nervous, might even be a little sweaty and nauseous. And yes, that is a normal response to something like that, something that makes you nervous. So you have an idea of why it's happening, right? Now imagine having this feeling come out of nowhere. Okay, only this time, now you're trying to figure out what to do about it and how to get rid of it, because you don't even know what's happening, because now you start to freak out a little bit. So then you start pacing back and forth in the room. You're freaking out. You really don't know what to do with yourself. Now you're sweating up a storm. Your breathing's all jacked up. You're going to throw up on someone any minute now. You're trying to find someone to talk to for help, but you don't even know what's going on, so you can't even translate it. So then you just hold it all inside until you curl up in a little ball and cry yourself to sleep because no one else seems to get it. Yeah, that's anxiety. I need some water after that. And yeah, if you think I'm kidding, go ahead and ask the person that sent you this video. I'm sure they'll be happy to share some scary, frustrating stories with you of their own. No one truly understands the amount of masks we have to wear on a daily basis. We have the dinner with friends mask. We have a social gatherings mask. We have meeting our partner's parents for the first time mask. We have the student trying to better themselves at school mask. We have people ordering stuff from the drive-thru when we can't even speak because now we're all choked up with anxiety, so we have a hard time speaking out loud mask, etc. It's not easy. People would actually be surprised whenever I would tell them that I have anxiety issues, that I suffer with anxiety. Truth of the matter is, I'm just good at wearing my mask. And I hate wearing that mask. I love Halloween, but I hate wearing that mask, those masks. It's exhausting. But seriously, the truth is, it's a really difficult imbalance to have to cope with, so go easy on your anxious friends. Okay, it's not their fault. They're sweaty little nauseous creatures for no reason. Okay, it's anxiety, and anxiety is a devil. And really, the best thing you can do for people with anxiety is just be there for them. You know, pull them away from any distractions and just listen to them and figure out what their thoughts are and figure out what's actually bothering them. Get them to sort out what's bothering them. And once they are able to address what's bothering them, then you can actually be there to support them a lot better, okay? So guys, I really hope this is helpful. Please pass this along to your friends who can relate or need help understanding this topic better, all right? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back with another video next week. Thanks.